Hey guys, it's a little warm today, but that's all right. There's a little Titus back there over my left shoulder, or I guess it'd be my right shoulder. No, it's my left shoulder. But anyway, I want to introduce you to the tractor that I got to mow the yard, but I don't know if I've really actually introduced it to the channel. I've done a lot of work to it, and I'll show you what I've done, or tell you what I've done, and what I'm working on right now. Alright guys, this is a Craftsman LTS 2000. I mistakenly got it on a Facebook Marketplace because I thought it had a manual shifter. That's actually one of those plastic VeriDrive transmissions. That's alright, I got it working, I got it fixed. I had to clean up the VeriDrive pulleys and the little I guess jack shaft that the one back pulley went up and down on, but cleaned all that up. That's working, because when I got it, I only had one forward speed and one back speed, and that was as fast as it would go. I found out that that wasn't true, because it can actually go faster now. But anyway, I put rear mower deck wheels. I've had to put tubes in every tire except the one over there on the left rear. It's held there just fine. I put the battery in it from the Purple People Eater. No, from Green Machine, because I don't use it anymore. The mower deck is level. It's in great shape. There's a couple little rust spots, but it's in great shape. It had brand new blades on it when I got it. Let's see, I put my Craftsman front bumper on it. I had to... It didn't run great when I first got it. I ended up replacing the carb with a HIPAA carb, one of those Chinese HIPAA carbs. It's worked great with it so far. You can see this is disconnected at the moment. I'll get into that. I didn't have a seal gasket. I ordered a gasket. They sent me the wrong gasket, and I said, screw it. I'm going to just RTV it. Let's see, what else? Everything over here's been okay. Dogs are going to start barking at something. This is not the original gas tank. That's the original gas tank. The original gas tank that was in here looked a lot like my other Craftsman, which is out there in the building in front of the yellow Sears. But I bought this one. It was like 20 bucks on Amazon. Second time I took the gas cap off, I broke it. It was pretty cheap. Well, actually, I got it on the original gas can. So I'll show you real quick. See it right there? I split the top. It was letting dirt in. So that was a no-go. Well, anyway, that tank, you put gas in and it was coming out the bottom just as fast as it was going in, almost. I thought it was broken because there was, looked like some kind of epoxy right in the bottom center of that tank right there, where my other Craftsman has an outlet much like this right there, and I thought it was broken, and I thought somebody drilled a hole, put a bung in there, and got it the wrong size. Well, turns out that does come with a bung. It is thickened on the plastic where that bung goes in. And I found one of my spare ones and I put it back together. Now it's tight as can be and will not leak. So I want to put this gas tank back into the LTS 2000 because this gas tank is not quite a gallon. And I think that one is 1.5 gallons, maybe 2 gallons. This one I can't mow the whole yard, which is a little over an acre, and I've got the front as well, because I want the capacity of that tank in here. So to do this, basically take steering wheel off. I've already taken these 5 screws out. There's 2 here, 2 on the other side, and 1 right here. Take the bolt out of the steering wheel, and I'll show you an easy way to take the cap off of this steering wheel. Put your fingers in these 2 holes, squeeze, it lifts right up. Take this bolt out, take steering wheel off, and this will lift up so you can get this tank in and out without removing the engine. Also, I'll show you while I've got it off, this engagement lever, this cable right here, it's also easily accessible if you just lift this dash up. And it lifts just like a Murray wide body. But let's take steering wheel off and we'll get into it. Need to trim some of this off. It's too big. I guess the other tank stretched it out. Now put it back on. Easy with this. Don't want to break the tank. Like I said, I'm going to take you in and show you. Once you lift this dash out, you have easy access right here to put in this cable. Right there. Really simple. Now I'm going to button it all back down and reconnect that gas line to the carb. We're good. Oops. Fingers! Fingers! I also added this fuel shutoff. So I don't trust these fuel shutoff solenoids, and I just think it's a good practice. Turn it off after you're done mowing, and don't have to worry about your carburetor siphoning your gas tank into the block. And there it is, back together. I'm gonna pick up my tools, put some gas in the tank, make sure it doesn't leak, and drive it around for a little bit and see how it works. I see a spot I missed in the yard right there. I shall mow it. Oh wow, I might just end up tossing this tank. I don't know. I don't know if you can see that, but it was melting. It was shrinking. Same on the bottom. Oh, spilt the gas right there and right there. Luckily there was only just maybe a quarter cup in there, but that's just awful. Whoopsie. Wasn't paying attention. All right, let's start this thing up and let's mow that little spot I missed. Let's turn it a little bit right there. The spot is right there. A little strip, little tiny strip. As mentioned, it'll be nice to have that extra capacity of the original tank. And it does a pretty good job mowing. I just mowed yesterday. Anyway, that was a quick, easy little fix, or change it back to normal. Like I mentioned, I think I'm calling it Guppy. Not sure yet. Might call it Silver. I don't know, because it is Craftsman Silver. But or gray. I don't know. It looks like a silvery gray, but it's working pretty good. I'm not happy about the plastic transmission that's in it, but I think it's in good shape right now. So if I take care of it, and I don't have too crazy of a yard, I think it should last for quite some time. So anyway, that's the end of this, and we'll get to working on something else. See you later.